Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another downwards day here as the price continues to drift. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, it could have been a whole lot worse because at one point the price had gapped up and then came down and was had a very nasty downwards trajectory to it. But like I said, the price did actually bottom out and started to work its way back upwards. So to look at the glass as half full, there's no doubt about it. From where the price was looking earlier on in the day, things were not looking good at all. It was looking like it could have been a very, very rough go of it. But to be fair, like I said, the price recovered upwards, which brings about two main areas of support. First level is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, what make this chart look the best? Well, ideally, if the price can now stay up above that level right there at 46, which is where, the lowest it went during that afternoon pullback, that would be great. But if the price does break down below that area, the next level that I'm still not going to call it a do or die level, but definitely a very important area would then be down there around 44.75. Because the problem with that area is if the price were to come down there and break down through it, now all of a sudden that puts the price in kind of this no man's land where there aren't any other data points that suggest areas of support until way down there at, down below $42. Not just because that area, is broken doesn't mean that it'll for sure go down below 42. But the point here being is there just isn't any other sort of, potential areas of support as far as, what the technical chart is concerned. So that is why that area I would definitely consider much more important. Now, in the event the price does try to bounce back upwards, as I've talked about in past videos, still all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, and that's currently valid at right around, we'll call it $48.35. So overall, yeah, the downwards trend continues. This one just can't quite seem to build any sort of worthwhile momentum, but we'll see what it has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.